set age guidelines and maturity ratings on your Roblox game. If you want to set the maturity level for Roblox game, open up your web browser and head over to creator.roblox.com. This takes you to the Roblox Creator Hub. Once you're in, you want to select Creations to see all of your games. Now click the game you want to edit. On the left side, scroll down and find Audience and Maturity and Compliance. Select that option. You see a questionnaire you need to complete. This determines the correct maturity rating for your game. Go through each question and answer honestly based on the content in your experience. As you answer each question, Roblox will automatically prepare the maturity rating. Once you're done, click Submit to save your choices. After submitting, the game will show the new maturity level on its page, and players will see the appropriate rating before joining. And that's it. That's how you set the maturity rating for your Roblox game. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.